Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use flashcards in Goodnotes in 2026. Do you want to study smarter in Goodnotes? Flashcards are one of the best ways to memorize information quickly. And in today's video, I'll show you exactly how to use them just by following these few simple steps. So let's get started. So before we start, here's a quick guide on how to download the application. Goodnotes is both available on Android and iOS devices. You can download this via the Play Store or App Store depending on which device you use. You just go to the store and then download the application. And once the installation is completed, you're gonna open the Goodnotes application and you're gonna create a new note. You can either create a new note or you can create or edit an existing one. As you can see, the notebook limit is reached in my account because I'm using the free version of the Goodnotes. Now, if you want more AI features or access to more AI features, you must pay for the premium version. So make sure to pay for the premium plan. Now, in order to open the Goodnotes and go to the flashcard sets, you're gonna open here. Then you're gonna tap on a card to view the question. So we're just gonna open a new one right here for this example. You're gonna click on an already existing documents. And then you're gonna look for the flashcards. You're gonna try to answer it, then flip the card to see the answer and go through your cards one by one to review your materials. Now these features can be available in the premium version if you go to the marketplace and search for these items like the flashcards, etc. Now you're gonna go through your cards one by one to review your materials and repeat regularly to improve memory retention. And also, the flashcards make studying faster and more effective. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.